does your desktop look a little bit like this? Maybe a little worse? Don't worry. Don't stress. We've got a fix for you to help you out. Straighten up the chaos. Get life back in order by cleaning off your desktop. A few easy, quick steps. Here's how. These files are all different types that belong to different kinds of folders inside of your computer, and those folders already exist. You just need to get your things to them and have a way to get them more easily there as you add more stuff to your desktop. So here's how to do that. Click on the File Explorer. It's a little folder down in the bottom in the taskbar. Once it loads, you should see a list of all the main folders that your account has. Desktop, Downloads, Documents, Videos, Music, Pictures are all ones that are common. You may have a few extra ones that belong over here that are special to yours. But the ones that really matter are these. We don't really want to have things stored on the desktop. Instead, we have other places to put them. I'm going to right-click this Downloads folder. Now, there's not anything here that's going to help me, so I have to show more options. One of the options it gives me, Create Shortcut. It says, Windows can't create a shortcut here. Do you want to create a shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? And that is the correct answer. Yes. So now it's made a shortcut on your desktop to your downloads. Do the same thing for your other major folders, including Documents, Pictures, Music, and Videos. If there's other ones you want to have quick access to on your desktop, go ahead and make those too the same way. Right-click, Show More Options, Create Shortcut, and yes to put one on the desktop. Once you're finished, close this folder. You'll see all the rest that are here ready for you to use. Right-click anywhere and choose Sort by Item Type. This will put all the desktop shortcuts together and make it easier for you to use. If you have desktop shortcuts like this one that you don't want to use, drag and drop into the trash bin. Then it's a matter of dragging anything from your desktop to any of these shortcuts on your desktop. They act like a pipeline that allows things to be funneled from your desktop straight to those folders, like this. This is a picture, so I'm going to click and drag this one to the Pictures folder, and it says Move to Pictures. When I let go, it goes away. Here's a document I'm going to put into the Documents folder. Drag and drop, hover over that until it says Move to Documents, and let go. When I double click this, it opens the Documents folder. I can look for any of the files I've dragged to that shortcut. Keep doing this until all of your folders are gone except for your recycle bin, your shortcuts, and then anything that you really absolutely need right now on your desktop. When you're done, drag that also to the correct folder. When you're finished, your desktop will look more like this. Now that everything's cleared away, right-click, Sort by Item Type again, and now super clean and easy access to any of the folders you create a shortcut for. If you'd like help with this or other instructional technology, please reach out to us at instructionaltechnology@cmcss.net.